Hey, Leslie here. Today I'm going to show you how to hang a large sign. You're going to need three things: a drill or a screwdriver, appropriate size screws for the thickness of your sign, and my favorite, a French cleat. This one is by Hangman. So the Hangman cleat system is really cool because basically you put one side on the back of your sign and the other side is provided to your client so that they can hang it on their wall. There's a small level that slides into this, so it's super easy for the end user to install this themselves. And then this is the piece that you're going to place on the back of your sign. So the way that I make sure that the cleat on the back of my round is level is, as I said, I'm going to have my round placed flat down against a flush edge. So I have just a board that's wide enough that I can see both straight ends on either side of the circle. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and line the level up with the level edge. Just put something in place so that it doesn't fall. And then I'm going to put a piece of painter's tape there so I have an idea of where my straight line should be. So I'm just gonna adjust it slightly, making sure it's nice and straight. And then I'm gonna put my piece of tape right up against that level edge. So that marks the flat edge where I can go ahead and install the cleat. So you could do it higher if you wanted, up here, or lower down here. It's just your personal preference. And then when your customer gets it, they will just install the cleat how high they want it on their wall, and then it just slots right in. The screws that come with the Hangman system are quite sizable, so you want to make sure that you get a screw that's not going to go through the front of your sign. So I have these number 4 3/8 inch screws. They're pretty small, but my backer is only 1/2 inch, so that's the size of the screw that will be going in. And I'm going to be putting about 6 screws in the back, so it's going to make it really solid. And these hangers are for up to 100 pounds. This sign probably weighs less than 20, but if you're hanging something above a crib or in a child's room, it's really important to make sure that you have something that you can trust and you know it's not gonna fall off the wall. And to give you an idea of what the end user has to do, they have this side of the cleat. You simply slide the level in there, and then they use these small finishing nails and hammer it directly into the wall.